how to ask for directions in English with your phone. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for...
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but could you please help me? I'm looking for the City Museum, and I have Google Maps on my phone, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going the right way.
No problem at all. Let me take a quick look at your phone. Okay, you're actually pretty close. You need to walk straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
All right, 2 blocks straight ahead. What should I do after that?
When you get to the big intersection with the traffic lights, turn right. You'll see a bakery on the corner.
Turn right at the intersection with the bakery. Got it.
Yes, and then keep walking for about 1 more block. The museum will be on your left, right after a small park.
Great. What if I miss the bakery or the park?
If you see a large fountain, you've probably gone too far. Just turn around and head back.
Thank you so much for your help. Could you please point me in the right direction?
Of course. It's this way. I can even walk with you for a minute to help you get started if you like.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
I'm using Google Maps, but I'm lost.
Hi, excuse me? I'm using Google Maps, but I think I'm lost. Could you help me?
Oh, sure. Where exactly are you trying to go?
I'm trying to get to Central Station, but the app says I should turn right here, and I don't see the street it mentions.
Ah, that street is a little hidden behind a building. You can't see it from here. You need to walk around the corner to the left first.
Oh, I see. So I should go left first, then right at the hidden street?
Exactly. After that, just keep going straight until you see the Central Station sign.
Thanks. Is this the right way to Central Station?
Yes, it is. You're very close now. Just walk straight for about 5 more minutes, and you'll get there.
Perfect. I was really confused because the app wasn't clear.
It happens sometimes. Sometimes maps don't show smaller streets clearly.
If I get lost again, can I ask people like you for help?
Absolutely. Most people here are friendly and happy to assist.
Thank you so much for your help today.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your trip to Central Station.
How to find your way when you're lost. Ask for directions in English.
Excuse me, could you help me find this place on my phone? I'm a little lost and not sure where I am.
Sure, let me take a look. You're near the big city park.
Oh, I see. Could you please tell me how to get to Central Mall from here?
Yes. From here, walk straight ahead for about 2 blocks until you reach a large intersection with traffic lights.
Okay, 2 blocks straight ahead to the traffic lights. Then what?
When you reach the traffic lights, turn right. Keep walking straight, and you'll pass a supermarket on your left.
Turn right at the lights, past the supermarket on the left. Got it.
After that, keep walking for about 1 more block, and you'll see Central Mall on your right.
That sounds easy enough. How long does it usually take to walk there?
It should take about 10 minutes if you walk at a normal pace.
Thank you very much. I was worried I'd get completely lost.
Don't worry. If you're ever unsure, just stop someone and ask. People here are friendly and willing to help.
That's great to know. Thanks again for your kindness.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your time at Central Mall.
Asking for directions in a big city.
Excuse me, could you help me? I think I'm a bit lost.
Sure. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the city's art museum. I thought it was nearby, but I can't seem to find it.
Oh, the art museum is actually a bit tricky to find. You're close, though.
That's good to know. Could you tell me how to get there from here?
Absolutely. So you're on 5th Avenue now. Walk straight for about 3 blocks, then turn left onto Pine Street.
3 blocks straight, then left onto Pine.
Yes. You'll pass a bookstore and a small park on your right. After that, you'll see a big white building with columns. That's the museum.
Great. Is it walking distance?
Yes, it should take you about 10 minutes on foot. But if you're tired, you could also take the number 12 bus from the next stop.
I think I'll walk. I'd like to see the neighborhood. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum. It's one of my favorite places in the city.
I will. Have a great day.
You too.